Hello guys, today I'm doing cabbage. So you put your pot on the fire and heat your oil. Heat the oil, allow it to heat, then you put your cabbage, no, your onions and green pepper. Your onion and green pepper fry. Add your fresh tomatoes. Fresh tomato is very important, not the tomato paste, but your fresh tomato. So these tomatoes were very fresh and nice. Don't take tomatoes that are spoiled though. Fresh tomatoes. Very fresh. You slice them not too small. You slice them a little bit big, and then you add your carrot and your green beans. Stir, stir fry. At this point I went in with my meat, my dry fish. I always put my dry fish with the head, the head of the fish carries most of the taste. And I love eating the head of the fish. Oh, I love bones. So I go in with it. After I can dish it to the person that does not want the head, I will dish it without the head. But in my own dish, I can go in with my head. I love crushing bones. Then here I added my seasoning. This seasoning contains fresh ginger, garlic, um, white pepper, and pepper. So everything was fresh, and I had to grind it on the stone, guys. I have a blender, but the blender will not do the work nicely like this. So I had to go with the stone. You grind it, you can grind it any way, any means. Here you have. Then I went into my crayfish. Remember, you don't pour all the crayfish because you have to add it after adding your vegetables like the cabbage. I went into my meat stock. I did not pour it all. I had to drain it. And then you stir. At this point, it was. I use Maggi cube, Maggi red and star. This is my salt for seasoning. I added salt and my Maggi favorites and Maggi star. Ooh. Kitchen at this point was ooh la la. Ooh la la. This is not expensive, guys. I saw this cabbage very cheap, and I had to buy it and put in the house. So I decided to go fry. So what I did with the cabbage, I sliced it, I boiled my water, added the cabbage into the boiled water, allow it to get soft, cooked, halfway cooked, and then I remove, wash it, and squeeze out the water. Some people don't eat cabbage because of the water. They say they don't like it because of the smell. When you do it this way, there's no smell, guys. Somebody that does not eat, look at this, my head, that does not eat the cabbage is going to love it. It's going to love it. If you are washing up to this point, it means you are a cabbage lover. Try it, guys. Very nice. So you have to stir it very well so that the tomatoes and all the spices will get into the cabbage. You stir it well. You can add any seasoning of your choice. There are some people who don't eat some certain spices, but you add the seasoning that you use to season your stew. Yeah, stew, tomato stew. And as for me, I added those four spices: ginger, garlic, white pepper, and bebe. Bebe is this traditional. Here I'm adding my remaining crayfish after stirring the cabbage. Bebe is those small tiny spices that you crack to remove the nuts, those little nuts inside. You don't even put much, because if you put much, it will be bitter. So I put 3 of the bebe. Here I cover my pot, and after about 6 to 10 minutes, you open the pot and stir. And food is ready. Oh, la, la. The aroma was, my God, it's ready. So if you look at how much I spent on this pot, your head of cabbage or 500. I bought uh, 3 heads of cabbage the other day for 1,000, and I did not use all. So let's just say this one is 500, and then your tomatoes 300, your fish 1,000, your meat 1,000, and then your spices. So and your cassava 1,000. So this food you use 5,000 to cook it, and food is okay. Crayfish, yeah, I use 5,000 to cook this delicious meal. We'll try it and let me know how. What you think in the comment section. Please comment, like, and share. Love you.